What's up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel, either or. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Today we got something awesome, very cool. But first of all, I have some awesome news. So when I got home today, I'm like, why is it so darn light out? So I go in and I check the the sunrise sunset times, and it's like 6:30. So I got like about 45 minutes here before the sun goes down. Maybe even 30, I forgot to check the time. But guys, we are 10 days, almost 10 days, about 2 weeks. March 10th, daylight savings ends. So the sun will be going down at 7:30 at night. That is the best thing for not only car people, but me, like YouTubers, like sunlight. Amazing. That blew my mind. I am so excited for that. So that's coming, and 1 month from today, apparently spring is gonna be here. So that is also awesome as well. Over the weekend, I was checking out my boys at Jack's Wax, and they released a new product. And I was like, looking at it, I'm like, shoot, that's actually pretty interesting. So I went and purchased it over the weekend, and it arrived today. I'm like, that shipping was fast, man. So let's crack this box open, and I'll show you guys what I ordered. I ordered the new Jack's Wax Fabric Guard. This stuff pretty much makes, it's a protectant, fabric guard protectant. It literally repels, as it says here, it repels water, spots, and stains from most fabrics, including convertible tops, cloth, seats, carpet, furniture, etc. It will also make cleaning process of fabric easier. Apply to clean, dry fabric in a back and forth motion. Make sure to apply the fabric guard in overlapping pattern to assure even coverage. Do not soak product into the fabric. Once coverage is sufficient, let dry to the touch. Avoid spraying non-fabric areas. Super simple product to install, and a super simple product to use. And we're going to use it today on the interior of my Ram. And not only that, I'm going to try it on these shoes I have as well, because those themselves were also used in their little promo video I got in the email. We're going to go make the interior of my truck waterproof. I also ordered their total interior detailer as well, because I just needed a good solid product to clean and detail the inside of my truck, especially with spring coming and stuff like that. I just want a solid product, so I decided to test this out as well. This should not be hard to use and get set up. Sealant on the cap. I'm gonna punch that. There's a fine smell to it, almost a little minty. And then just screw your cap on. So I'm gonna be honest, the first thing I want to try is my shoes, because they're right here. Those can dry while I'm getting to the seats of my truck. As you guys can see, these Adidas are very mesh like, so water can get in easily. So let's return the thing here. Oh, do not want a stream. Definitely want a mist. All right. I hit them in like a crisscross pattern, and up the sides of my shoes as well to hit all those. And let's get to my truck. I'm gonna vacuum my driver's seat so it's a clean surface to apply this to. Okay, so the seat is vacuumed off now, so we're gonna hit it with the fabric guard, and then we're actually gonna repeat for the entire truck. Here we go, we have the fabric guard and the seat. Overlapping patterns here, so we're gonna have to, I'm just gonna wipe that off. We're gonna go get a towel for that. So I mean, all we gotta do now is just let this dry. So we're gonna let that dry to the touch. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go and take care of the back seat of this truck, and then make my way to the passenger side and spray that down as well. So this is actually a funny thing. I'm doing this now. At work, we do leather. So today we had a new Ram in there, getting some leather seats put in, and I had the guy save me a cover for my driver's seat, just in case. That's the most heavily used seat. So just in case something ever happened, a tear, a rip or something, I now have a spare cover. if I never, you know, switch this interior to leather, which I don't know. Everyone asks me all the time. I honestly just love cloth. Leather is it's just a pain. Too hot in the summer, too cold in the winter, and it takes forever to get your heated seats to come through. So but I have a spare cover if anything or happens to that. I guess I don't have to worry about stains anymore with the fabric guards. So stains is out of it, so pretty much a rip, a tear, or something like that, or just you know, heavy use. But I do have a spare cover now. So, I mean, I've pretty much got the whole truck done except the passenger seat. One thing probably forgotten often is the back of the, you know, driver and passenger seats. Not that it's ever going to be in a situation where, you know, you're spilling something in your lap, but just say you hit the brakes hard, the passenger's in the back seat, you know, dump something forward, that would need to be protected in that case. But other than that, I honestly think that, you know, this is less than 10 minutes, 100% less than 10 minutes. Vacuum it out, spray it down, and that's it. We're gonna test my shoes here in a second after I do the passenger seat, and we can let that dry. This time I'll make it a little bit easier on myself, and I'm gonna cover this prior, so the overspray, get on there. We're gonna shoot the back first, then shoot the bottom. I should have just folded that up. So, just like that, gonna come down here, wipe off the plastic, wipe off your seat belt. Yeah, look, you can see where all the overspray landed. And then we're gonna hit this center console area real quick. So I did a 6-passenger truck and my pair of shoes, and we still have enough left. We pretty much have half a bottle left, so we could probably do another vehicle and another pair of shoes. Yeah, I mean, it just says let dry to the touch. Let me feel my shoes. I mean, my shoes feel dry. So we're actually gonna test my shoes out now, to be honest. Set you guys up here, just so this is no funny business here. Get these leaves out of the way. Here's my shoe. Okay, so with my shoe, I mean, my sock doesn't feel wet and the water beat it off. However, there's like a odd stain mark on it. So I don't know if it just doesn't, as you look at that, you can see where it kind of got wet, but here, my sock is not wet on the inside, I can tell you that much. And as you can see, the water beat it off. I don't know if it just got caught in the second layer of foam and it just, you know, needs more coating on the shoe, but I can tell you that my foot is not wet. That's still not dry, so maybe that was our problem. Yeah, definitely not dry yet. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my, dude, guys. What the heck? I can literally play with it. Look at that. I'm gonna be honest, I think, like I said, I just think it needed to dry more. All right, so let's try this on my shoes again. This time I shot them again, and I let them dry this time. So let's try this. Oh yeah. So guys, there you have it. Obviously you guys saw the truck seats worked. So that's nifty. That's honestly awesome. But I think porous fabric, you may have to shoot it a second to third coat, maybe. Interesting product. I think it's about 15 bucks, so if you guys are looking for it, Jack's Wax. I don't know how many of you actually let people drink or eat in your car anyway. So it's kind of like I don't even find myself spilling stuff because I hardly even drink anything in my truck. So just a layer of protection is always welcome. You guys all know that, all you car people out there. Any protection to your vehicle is always a good investment. So like I said, 15 bucks. I did the entire truck and this pair of shoes. I think I personally would have shot my shoes a little heavier, but other than that, the truck seats worked wonderful. So, you know, just a little bit of protection is always a good idea. So guys, that is gonna do it for tonight's video. Like I said, I just got that product in the mail, so I was a little excited and wanted to test it out. So like I said, it worked well on the seats. If I did shoes again, I'd probably shoot a little heavier. I personally don't know what too much would be. I know the instructors say do not soak, but I don't know what too much would be. So I guess that would just come from a bunch of testing. I'm also super excited to test the total interior detailer someday, but once again, it's getting way too cold. I can't wait for even like a summer night where I could be out here all night. Just for right now especially, it is way too cold to continue doing anything. But like I said, guys, daylight savings time is around the corner. Same thing with spring. So so I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching. Take care. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, shoot this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.